Understanding the use of ordinal numbers in event sequences. Hello learners! Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are delving into an exciting part of our Numbers and Counting series, specifically on the topic of ordinal numbers. We're going to talk about how ordinal numbers can be used to describe the order of events. This is a very important concept, as it helps us to understand and communicate sequences of events in English. Let's dive in. Before we delve deeper, let's take a quick refresher on what ordinal numbers are. In English, we use ordinal numbers to describe a position or order in a series or list. Ordinal numbers include words like first, second, third, and so on. Now that we've refreshed our memory, let's see how we can apply these in sequences of events. When we talk about the order of events, ordinal numbers are our go-to. They help us express the sequence in which things happen. For instance, if you want to narrate your day, you might say, first, I wake up. Second, I brush my teeth. Third, I have breakfast. In these examples, first, second, and third are all ordinal numbers, and they help us understand the sequence of events. In more complex sentences, ordinal numbers help us structure and clarify the order of events. For example, on my first day of vacation, I went to the beach. On the second day, I visited a museum. In this example, the ordinal numbers, first and second, help us understand the order of events during the vacation. The use of ordinal numbers might seem straightforward, but it's essential to practice. Remember, after third, most ordinal numbers end with th, like fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. The exceptions are 1, 2, 3, which become first, second, third. Try describing a sequence of events in your day, or perhaps retell a story using ordinal numbers. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. And there you have it. We've explored how ordinal numbers are used to describe sequences of events. It's a simple yet powerful tool to enhance your English communication skills. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, we learn from them. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in our next session where we continue to explore the fascinating world of English language learning.